Unlock professional document management without spending a dime with Pandadoc's powerful free features. Let's dive right into how you can leverage Pandadoc for free first. Head over to the Pandadoc website and click on that prominent Sign Up Free button. You'll need to create an account using your email address and a secure password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you have a few options. The easiest way to start is by choosing from Pandadoc's extensive library of free templates. Simply browse categories like proposals, contracts, or invoices, and select one that fits your needs. Now, let's customize your document. You can easily edit all the text, replace placeholders with your specific information, and even add your company logo for a professional touch. Pandadoc makes it incredibly intuitive to personalize every detail. Need to add more to your document? Use the Add Content feature to insert extra text blocks, images, or even detailed pricing tables. You can tailor the document precisely to what you need to communicate. Once your document is perfect, it's time to send it. Click on the Send tab. You can choose to email your document directly to your client from Pandadoc, or generate a unique shareable link that you can send through any communication channel. And here's where Pandadoc truly shines for free users. Tracking after sending. You can monitor your document's activity in real time. See when your client opens it, how long they spend viewing it, and when they complete it, all from your dashboard. This invaluable insight helps you understand engagement and follow up effectively. So there you have it. Create, send, and track your essential documents seamlessly with Pandadoc's free tier. It's a fantastic resource for individuals and small businesses looking to boost their professionalism and efficiency without any subscription cost. Give it a try today.